So, good day everyone. I'm Jidel Chitaparan from BTLED 178. So ang subject day no is ethics. So, ang question is how do human actions affect relationships and society? So, para nako no ang tubag kay the human actions affects relationships in society in different ways, no? If mo imutag nindot nga kuan act like kuan kindness, mutabang ta sa sikataw and respect others and honest it makes feel happy and better no and safe, while kung mahimutag bati pare ng cheating in all forms of cheating, kanang mag-away mo, kanang mag kuan mo, kanang mamakak ka sa isig katawo. So bati kayo ang ending, so maguba ang inyong salig sa usa ka ta. If mahimo tag nindot, it makes it feel safe. If mahimo ganitag bati, maguba sa dang atong trust sa usa ka tawo. So every action has a consequences or results. So choose what is right. So mora to.